Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to share the valuable insights from a long-day workshop that I have recently attended there. I hope that these tips will help you to build your confidence as well as creating innovative ideas and speaking in front of the audience effectively in a global settings. Let's get into it. Number one is come to my mind, that is business communication. Effective communication is indispensable in professional environments. I learned how to craft persuasive emails, navigate workplace discussions, and articulate ideas with clarity in meetings. Number two is English pronunciation. Clear pronunciation elevates your speech perfectly. I picked up techniques to refine my English intonations, minimize mispronunciations, and project confidence while speaking in English. Number three is digital and global communication. In today's interconnected world, digital communication is paramount. The workshop taught me how to adapt my discourse for international audiences through emails, video calls, and online presentation. Number four is cross-cultural collaboration. Understanding diverse culture is crucial for your professional lives. I learned how to communicate with different cultures, people, respect global perspectives, and build meaningful relationships across borders. Number five is public speaking and building confidence. Communication isn't just about speaking, it's also about deciphering what others people saying. I developed skills to understand different accent and speech patterns more effectively. Number seven is effective networking. Building a strong professional is the key. I discovered strategies to initiate profound conversations and maintain valuable relationships in business and career settings. Number eight is time management in communications. Whether it's structuring emails or video call, meeting, conference, managing time well ensures lucid and impactful communications. Learning this skill has made my interactions more effectively. These skills are game changer for everyone who are looking for changing their skills. I'm excited to implement those resources in real life world. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe and share with your friends so that they can know about it also. Thank you so much for watching. Keep healthy, keep safe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.